Hey everyone, let's get started our second page. I'm going to keep my base page in the same color, and this size is 7.5 by 10.5. Always I'm keeping this size as my base page, and we'll start building the page. Today I pre-cut all the pages, but I'm giving you a measurements because I don't want to make the video very long. So first side I am going to work, which is left side. So this is A4 page. I cut it in a, I will give you a measurement. So we need to cut this page 7 by 10.5, and we have to score at 1 inch and then 1/4 inch more for that gusset part. So this page will look like this one, like that. So I kept it little bit wider this time. So this is a 1/4 inch. Usually I keep just one line. So we will just stick this part under this page. So we'll just start sticking it. And I'm using my all-time favorite glue, Fabri-Tac. You can see I kept very tiny, just a hairline gap between our score mark and this page, so it can fold nicely. If you go over this score mark or very close to this score mark, it is really hard to bend. So that's what we have to do for all our pages when we are sticking near score marking. And now what I need to do, I just want another like a small picture area. So I have done this part. Again, I always use A4 size pages, and this is 10.5 by 6, and I have scored it at 5 3/4, and first score is half mark, so that can be fold inside. So this is actually just the simple fold. You can use your own measurement, just you can see the simple fold, and I'm sticking it right here in the center. So we need to find out proper center, and we will just stick that part. So our page look like this so far right now. So this fold right here, and then again this and this. So these 4 pages are for our picture, and here also we are creating something, either pocket or another decorative area for picture. And now we'll move on to this part. So I have created this page using our A4 size paper, and this piece measure 6.5 by 9 inches, and I have 2 score marks, so we need that gusset part. So I scored at 7.5 and then 1/4 inches. So this will bend like that, so you can see like this. And now we are going to stick this part right here like that. Using our A4 size page, I cut this piece exactly 11, only I made a cut at 6.5. So this is 6.5 line, and then I scored at 3, and then I scored at 10.5. So this 3-inch score mark, I'm creating a pocket right here like that. Okay, so we will stick this part and create a pocket, so it goes like that, and this part goes on this page. So we are going to stick this part. So I didn't have any gusset here, but if you want to create, you can create it, but I have just simply made a fold and we are sticking this part on this page like that. So after sticking all these parts, our page look like this one right now. So this one will open like this, and then like this, and there is a pocket, and this side open like that, and this is the part for our pictures. So in between, I'm thinking I'm just creating a big picture frame. So I have already pre-cut this one like that. We'll start from the first page. So here I also pre-cut one of the page from the collection and use the same die. So I just wanted to keep the same theme for the picture frames. Like I don't want one round, one square, one different, so I'm just keeping this shape, so it will look like that. And then for the inside part, I'm just keeping plain pages because I don't want to waste any decorative pages inside, since we have only few pages left. So what I did, I just pre-cut all these pages like in the particular size, and here also. And here we can use decorative page or something like that, and there is a pocket, so we are creating a tag. So this page is done so far from this side. And for this side, I wanted to do something long, but since we did such thing for our first page, so I am thinking I will just create a picture spot. So I have these two pieces already cut. So this one goes like this, and this one kind of like this, and these two parts for picture. When we open this one, I do have a decorative page left from the this side collection, so I'm sticking it right here. Okay, and for the inside, I also cut the same pages from the blue paper, and I embossed them in this cute little rose folder. By the way, it is Crafter's Companion folder. So this will go like that, and this. Okay, so this part is done. We can make some corners with our punch, so it will look cute like that. So I'll finish this part and I'll be back. Alright, I'm back with everything assembled and little bit decoration. So I'll explain you what I did. So as I mentioned, I have created this page for a picture. So it will open from this side like that. Then I have just decorated this part, still not done yet. I have to put some sequins, beads and all good stuff. And when you open this one, we created these two spots for our pictures, and then this side for our pictures. And when you open, there is a pocket right here. And again I have embossed this part and this big part for picture. And then when we open our left side like this, we have this big page in the middle. So I have decorated a little bit right here. You can see cute image from the collection, and I have created this part for our picture, and picture will go in from this side like that. This page is bigger, but I'll show you. So this one will go inside like that. And then I created one pocket on the top right here and created a tag, just a plain tag. I haven't put anything here, just I inserted a tag and used some seam binding, the green one, and it goes inside. So it's quite a big tag. And then on our left side, this part for picture or whatever you want to put, and when it opens one spot, again you can open. There are a couple more spots for the picture here and here. And then for this big long page, I have just fussy cut this image, like not fully fussy cutted, just you can see the part. So I just ripped the page till here and then I just cut her dress, and this is like a pocket right here, and created one tag. So let me just quickly punch the hole, and this tag goes inside like this. So this another page is finished, and it will go to our album soon. So far we created 2 pages, so this one will look like this. And since I kept 3/4 inches space in all pages, this 1/2 inch part and some of the bulky flower fit in well. So you can see, I will just show you. If we close the page, so this 3/4 inch gap will be fine. And we will move on to our third page.